Welcome back to the channel. We are so excited to have you here for the 8th installment of our Make It for Less series. Our goal has always been to show you that you don't need a designer budget to achieve a high-end editorial look in your own space. Today, we're diving into some beautiful new projects that bridge the gap between upscale boutique finds and affordable, everyday materials. Whether you're looking for the perfect Mother's Day gift or just a way to refresh your living room, we hope the following projects will inspire you to put your own unique spin on these ideas, making your home feel both personal and inviting. Let's get crafting. To create this French country-inspired mercury glass lamp dupe for just $18, you will first need to gather your materials. You will need a simple, urn-shaped glass vase. This one was found at a dollar store. A standard wooden or ceramic candlestick base that the vase fits securely onto. Metallic silver spray paint. A standard beige linen lampshade, perhaps from a thrift store. About 1 yard of cream-colored crocheted or lace trim, and a high-quality clear-drying craft glue. To transform the plain glass vase into an expensive-looking mercury glass finish, apply several very light, misting coats of the metallic silver spray paint, letting the paint dry completely between each layer. This technique creates a semi-transparent, mirrored look. Once the vase is dry, use your craft glue to affix it firmly to the top of the candlestick base. To finish the lampshade with a feminine French country touch, apply a thin line of glue along the top and bottom edges of the linen shade. Then carefully press the crocheted lace trim in place, ensuring it is straight and neatly joined at the seam. Once the glue is dry, pair the custom shade with your handcrafted base for a stunning, upscale-looking gift. To create this high-end designer dupe, start by gathering a thrifted glass or a ceramic vase, white modeling paste or texture medium, gold leaf sheets or metallic gold flakes, gilding adhesive, and a few small sponges and brushes. Begin by dabbing the modeling paste onto the exterior of the vase with a sponge to create an organic, plaster-like texture with natural-looking ridges and valleys, then allow it to dry completely. Next, lightly apply patches of gilding adhesive to the raised areas of the texture where you want the gold accents to pop, waiting about 15 minutes until the glue feels tacky to the touch. Carefully press the gold leaf or flakes onto these sticky spots, using a soft, dry brush to smooth the gold into the texture and whisk away any loose excess. Once finished, you'll have a sophisticated, custom-textured vessel that mirrors expensive boutique decor for a fraction of the price, making it a perfect, thoughtful gift for Mother's Day. To create this elegant French country Mother's Day cloche, start by gathering a glass jar or cloche and a wooden plate from a thrift store, along with faux roses, lavender, eucalyptus, lace ribbon, craft paint, and a decorative skeleton key from the dollar store. Begin by painting the wooden base with a white or cream chalk paint, lightly sanding the edges once dry to achieve a distressed, shabby chic, vintage look. Use a small dab of hot glue to secure a cluster of roses and greenery to the center of the base, trimming the stems so the arrangement sits snugly under the glass. For the high-end boutique finish, tie a piece of lace ribbon and a handwritten Mother's Day tag around the top of the cloche, then tuck a small antique-style key into the florals to serve as a charming focal point. Finally, place the glass dome over your arrangement to instantly transform these budget-friendly finds into an expensive-looking piece of home decor that Mom can display year-round. To create this country French Chateau Cachepot dupe, you will need a few basic supplies: a large ceramic or terracotta pot, thrifted or from a dollar store, white or cream chalk paint, gold metallic acrylic paint, or a gold paint pen, a fleur-de-lis stencil or stamp, foam brushes, a small piece of sandpaper, and some faux hydrangeas and eucalyptus stems for the arrangement. Optional finishing touches include a bit of twine and a cardstock gift tag for a Mother's Day presentation. To begin, thoroughly clean your thrifted pot and apply 2 coats of white or cream chalk paint, allowing it to dry completely between layers to achieve a solid, matte base. Once dry, lightly rub the edges and raised surfaces with sandpaper to create a weathered, shabby chic vintage look. Next, use your stencil and gold paint to apply the fleur-de-lis motifs around the center of the pot, and paint a thin gold band around the top rim for that high-end anthropology aesthetic. After the paint has set, place a block of floral foam or some crumpled paper inside the pot, and arrange your faux hydrangeas and eucalyptus stems, mixing green and cream tones for a lush, realistic appearance. For the final touch, wrap a piece of twine around the neck of the pot and tie on a Happy Mother's Day tag, resulting in a sophisticated piece of year-round decor that looks like a luxury boutique find for a fraction of the price. To create this elegant French country keepsake box, you will need a small wooden craft box, off-white or cream chalk paint, a paintbrush, a sanding block or sandpaper, lace ribbon or trim, faux silk roses in muted pink and cream tones, flat-backed adhesive pearls, a hot glue gun with glue sticks, and vintage-style metal latches if your box doesn't already have them. Start by applying 2 even coats of off-white chalk paint to the entire exterior and interior of the wooden box, allowing it to dry completely between layers. Once dry, use a sanding block to gently scuff the edges and corners, revealing a bit of the natural wood underneath to achieve that shabby chic distressed look. Next, measure and cut your lace trim to wrap around the base and the lid, securing it firmly with small dots of hot glue in the same positions as the high-end original. Carefully glue your large silk roses to the top and front right corner of the box, layering them for dimension. Finally, accent the design by scattering flat-backed pearls around the floral arrangements and along the lace borders, and attach your antique-style metal latch to the front to complete the upscale, boutique-inspired transformation. To recreate this upscale French country floral arrangement for Mother's Day, you will need a few affordable supplies: a thrifted ceramic pitcher. Any shape works as long as it has a handle. Chalk paint in a creamy off-white or buttercream shade, a small container of dark wax or brown acrylic paint for distressing, floral foam, an assortment of high-quality faux roses and lavender sprigs from a dollar store or craft clearance, burlap or linen ribbon, and a vintage-style pendant or button. To begin, thoroughly clean your thrifted pitcher and apply 2 coats of creamy chalk paint, allowing it to dry completely between layers to achieve that matte, high-end look. Once dry, lightly sand the edges and the handle with fine grit sandpaper to reveal a bit of the original ceramic underneath. Then use a dry brush or soft cloth to dab a tiny amount of dark wax or brown paint into the crevices for an aged, found aesthetic. Place a block of floral foam inside the pitcher and begin tucking in your largest rose blooms first to establish the shape, filling the gaps with sprigs of lavender and eucalyptus for height and movement. Finish the piece by tying a simple burlap bow around the neck of the pitcher and hot gluing a vintage pendant or decorative charm to the center of the knot for that final touch of French elegance. To create this high-end look on a budget, you'll first need to gather your materials. This project requires a glass vase, a small glass candlestick holder, and a round wooden plaque or disc, the base, all of which can often be found at a dollar store. You will also need metallic gold and metallic silver spray paints, paintbrushes, one soft for the spray paint dust and another for details, a hot glue gun with glue sticks, E6000 glue, for a stronger permanent bond, some loose faux filigree pieces, and a high-quality flameless candle that fits your chosen vase and stick. While not strictly part of the lamp, having some dried lavender and a vintage-style photo frame nearby helps create the overall vignette seen in the image. The assembly process is all about creating the illusion of aged metal. Start by painting the candlestick holder and the round wooden disc in a rich metallic gold. This will be your base. Once dry, use the looking glass mercury glass paint technique. Apply a very thin, light dusting of silver spray paint to the inside of the glass vase to create that distinct, distressed, reflective look. After all painted surfaces are fully dry, assemble the lamp using a combination of E6000 and hot glue. First, attach the candlestick holder securely to the center of the wooden disc, and then glue the base of the vase onto the top of the candlestick holder. To elevate the design and cover the joints, carefully hot glue the faux gold filigree pieces around the lower rim where the vase meets the candlestick, and potentially another filigree detail at the top, like a pie tin rim. For the ultimate finished look, consider adding a finial, made from a painted wooden bead for example, to the top of the filigree collar. Let all glue set before placing the flameless candle inside, achieving a custom, high-end look for a fraction of the cost. A massive thank you to our incredible community of subscribers. Your support fuels our passion for turning everyday finds into high-end treasures. We are so grateful to have you with us as we prove that a beautiful, French, country-inspired home doesn't require a designer budget, just a little imagination and a hot glue gun. If you're new here, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and watch our channel grow. We're dedicated to sharing weekly dupe tutorials, thrifty DIYs, and elegant decor hacks that look like they came straight from an upscale boutique. Come join our crafting family, and let's keep making the world a bit more beautiful, one budget-friendly project at a time.